Hi all, I welcome you all to the new video. So today we are going to see the civil drawing or CAD drawing, and to discuss this video I have a few of our students. So Kingsley, Surendra, Gokul and Jeevanand. And with them I am Michael Jones, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So let us move to the video. And to discuss this case, we are having a small home, a small model of the house, and this will be used to represent a house. Okay, so I'm having a printout of the layout view. So this is a single room. Okay, a single room we have mentioned here. So single room plan and the single room view elevation and a section of this single room is mentioned here. So I hope this is clear. Okay. So can you identify the same, the elevation plan and the section of this house model? Yes, Surendra. Tell me which is the elevation?
Elevation front.
So this front face of the house will be the elevation, and Kingsley represent the plan.
The top view.
The top view. So the top view will be having this as a house room, and the other areas will be my areas outside the room. Okay. So I will be having dimensions only for this house. Okay. And the section view, Google. What will be the section? Section view. Okay. Definitely the section view will be drawn as a side view. So we can see the same here. So this is my top view, the plan of the house. So the plan will always have the dimensions of the room. Okay, so this is the plan and this is the elevation of the house. So the front view of the house is mentioned here, and a section view as Gokul mentioned. So the section of this view room is represented here. Okay, so the basic plan is here. So we'll start with the plan. Okay, so from the plan, so I have dimensions here 3000 mm and 2500 mm. So that will be the dimension of this room mentioned here. And to the left, on all the three sides, I am having windows. So the windows are mentioned with a dashed line. Okay, so with a dashed line, and the section of the gap in the wall is mentioned with the two lines. Okay, so this is representing the window, and a door is represented using a D, capital D. We are using a capital D, and the staircase to enter the house. So this is the top view. From the top view, we can get the information such as the dimension of the room, the positions of the windows and the doors. Okay, so these are the information that can be seen in a top view. Okay, so now moving to the front view. Front view will not have any dimensions. Rather, it will be just having the elevation or the look or the aesthetic part of the house. So we are having the front view, a simple rectangle. So the simple rectangle is mentioned in the front view, and the sunshades are marked, and below the sunshade I am having a door. Okay, so this door is drawn in a very simple manner, and to represent the staircase. So the staircase will be represented here. So I am having some other parts surrounding the staircase. What is that? That is the foundation or the base of the house. Okay, the base of the house. So over the base, I have constructed my building. Okay, so this is the representation for that. Okay, so now coming to the section view. So in the section view, I will be representing all the pillars and the columns of the house. So we can see the pillar and the column. Okay, the vertical section is the pillar, and the horizontal section is called as a pillar or a beam. Okay, so the beam and the pillar is mentioned here, and the foundation, you can see a different hatching line is used. So this hatching line is to represent the foundation. Okay, the foundation of this building. And these are some other civil construction structures that is that will be called as footing. Okay, for every pillar or the column, we will be having a larger base. So that is given to maintain the rigidity of this building, this column. So this column is mentioned here, and the dimensions are as per the aspect ratio. Okay, so you can see this footing and the foundation represented in the section view. Section view. It's not just a side view. Yes, definitely it is a side view, but this is a section view also. Okay, and along with this footing, we can also see the window. So you can see this window. This can be seen here. So the dimension of the window is also represented in the side view. Is this clear? And over the building, I'm having some place. So that is the parapet wall. Okay, you might have seen in the every houses. So this is a hut building, and in case of a concrete structure, we'll be having some parapet wall and the concrete. So those are represented with a different hatching. So these different hatchings are used to represent some other spaces in the building. So I hope this video will have given you some idea or insight to draw the civil structure. So we have once again to iterate. So this is my front view, top view, and the sectional view of the house. Thank you.